Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when earbud don't respond or respond slowly to touch controls. So first one, what we can try to fix it, is just put your earbuds to the charging case, and now the earbuds are disconnected from your phone, and after that remove it from the charging case and it will reconnect to your phone. Now check, maybe it fixes your problem. Also, sometimes it happens because your gesture feature is set to none, so open the application to check it, scroll down and go to device settings. Now go to the system, and right here, as you can see, I have not assigned it, so just change it to something, let's say to playback control, and click done to save it. And now check, maybe it fixes your problem. And the last one, what I can recommend it to you, maybe you do not tap on the touch controls. So the touch controls located right here, and just tap on it 2 times or 3 times, it depends what you wanna do. That's it, thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video, it's really important to us. See you later!